Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. As part of the systems concept series, in this video we are going to discuss the content delivery network. We will be seeing what is a content delivery network, how it works, and what are the benefits of using content delivery network. So let us jump into the topic now. In the modern web application, even few seconds of the loading time looks like a very big thing, which can in turn leads to the customer dissatisfaction. The reasons for the delay in the loading time can be many. One of it can be the scaling of the system. But there can be one more reason which can lead to the delay in loading. That can be the distance between the user and the server. In this example, if you can see, the server is placed somewhere in United States. If a user tries to access the server from Canada, he might be getting the data much faster than a user who is trying to fetch the data from somewhere in Asia, because as the distance increase, the time for our network to transmit the data also increase. We can make it faster by reducing the distance between the server and user. To do that, we cannot ask our user to come to United States. So we take a copy of the content near to user. The network of maintaining such copies of content is known as the content delivery network. It refers to a geographically distributed group of servers which work together to provide fast delivery of internet content. A content delivery network server typically contains the images, videos, HTML pages, JavaScript files, CSS pages, or any static files. Such CDN servers are distributed across the different regions. And whenever a request comes, the request will be routed to the nearest CDN servers to serve the static files. If the question pop-ups like, should we create and maintain all these CDN servers for each of our web application? The answer would be no. That can be a too costly thing and also very tough to maintain. So almost every cloud service provider has their own CDN setup, and also many other third-party CDN services available. So we will keep our static files in those CDN servers and we will pay to the cloud service providers according to the bandwidth which we use. This is kind of renting and pay as per the use. So now let us jump on to the uses of the CDN. The first important use is the low latency. As you can see, the content delivery network maintains different servers and different copies of the static data. Someone who is requesting from the Asia will get the data from the server in the Asia, and someone who is requesting from the Canada will get the data from the CDN server in Canada. In this way, you will avoid the network latency and you will have the uniform response time across all the regions. And as these servers are spread across all over the world, you should not be worried about where the next set of audience are going to come from. And the second big advantage is reducing the bandwidth cost. Through caching and other optimizations, CDNs are able to reduce the amount of data an origin server must provide. So for every request, as this static files takes a good amount of the bandwidth, now the web server doesn't have that load. And the next biggest advantage is it's increase the availability. For example, if a server in the Asia is down, as we have the multiple copies of the data, the request from Asia can be routed to next nearest servers and it can get the data from that server. So here we don't have any real downtime. And the next biggest advantage is security. If any attacks like DDoS attacks happens, that attacks will mostly happen on the CDN. Generally those CDNs are the third party or the cloud services, so they will have the more secure ways to protect from that. Considering all these advantages, CDN has become one of the important service for any web application. Even the big websites like YouTube and Netflix put their content in CDNs to give their customers a very better performance. And that's all for this video guys. If you like the content, please do like and subscribe to our channel.